Hey, hello YouTube. We are working on a 2004 Chevy Tahoe. Customer complains that her battery is dead every morning. She tries to turn it on. So first we're gonna start by checking her battery and then her charging system, and we'll go from there. Okay, we got our battery, and I put my voltmeter, and as you can see, it's a load test right here. 12 volts is checking that it's good, and then she has 12.8 volts, which indicates that her battery it's good. Next, we're gonna check her charging system, make sure her alternator is working. So we're gonna go ahead and turn on the truck. Then we come out here and check the voltage again. Charging 13.7, 13.8, which is a good charging system. It means that her alternator is working well. So we know that her battery is getting charged, and she should have enough battery for the next morning for the truck to turn on. The battery, customer said that she just replaced it. It's a brand new battery. So we're gonna go ahead and continue with the draw test. Let me show you how to do a draw test, see if we can figure out this problem. Okay, next we're gonna do a draw test on the battery and on the whole system of the truck. So what you do, you remove the negative terminal off the battery, and you're gonna put your voltmeter on amps, and you have to switch this from here. It is to check voltage. You're gonna switch it to this side. I don't know, each voltmeter is different, but on mine you just switch it from here to here, and you put it on amps, and you start checking amps in the truck. So make sure all these connections are good. So now what's happening, whatever the draw is doing, it's passing through my voltmeter so I could see what it's doing. Okay, after doing that, we have a big draw on the battery. So what you do next, you keep everything connected, and you go to your fuse panel, and you start pulling fuse by fuse, relay by relay, into the voltmeter shows a decrease on the amperage draw, which I already done all the fuses and relays, and I found this fuse right here. When I take it off, the draw becomes way less. So this fuse right here is actually for, here we go. Okay, now we got it to focus. That fuse that we're talking about is that one, which is MBEC 50 amp. So when I came out here and I grabbed the book off the truck, okay, so I put out the manual off the truck, and after looking at the manual, right here it's MBEC, which I checked, and it says right there, MBEC mid bus electrical center, power feet, front seats, and right doors. So those are the systems that I think we might have a big draw on, and we need to figure out what's causing that draw so we can fix this truck. Okay, so I checked the doors and found nothing there, but when I checked the power seats, I checked the switch and everything seems to be fine there. But when I went back here and I checked, okay, here we go. Under the seat we got 3 motors, one up in the front and 2 more right here in the back. These control the up and down and front and backwards on the for the seat. I found that these 2 motors back here, when I touched them, they were hot, and I have not used the seat. There's no way these things should be hot right now. So what I did, I disconnected both of these motors, and then I went back to my voltmeter, and this is the reading now that the motors are disconnected. So our problem here is those 2 motors are they're shorted out. That's why they're getting hot. There's current running through them when they shouldn't be. So we found our problem here, and that's going to be our problem. We need to replace those motors, and that should take care of it. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.